In 2020, the definition of American luxury has shifted from the oversized traditional sedan to the well-appointed SUV. The next generation of American luxury starts with Lincoln's lineup of extraordinary SUVs, and the baby of the family is the compact Lincoln Corsair. This may be Lincoln's smallest SUV offering, but it is packed with powerful engines, smart tech features, and exceptional comfort. Let's take a peek at the 2020 Lincoln Corsair. Formerly known as the MKC, Lincoln has rebranded and has ditched the alphabetical nomenclature and adopted the aviation and nautical theme across their lineup. However, the Corsair is much more than just a new name. The design is greatly improved and embodies drama, depth, and charm through its exterior of graceful, connected lines. The Corsair is offered in two trims, the Standard and the Reserve. The Reserve appearance package includes eye-catching upgrades such as 20-inch wheels, unique body-colored features, and a distinctive grille design that features the Lincoln Star and chrome accents. The Lincoln signature full-width horizontal tail lamps highlight the design lines of the vehicle to create a striking visual. The Lincoln Embrace adds a human touch to your vehicle as it activates a welcoming upon your approach. Soft LED lighting and an illuminated Lincoln logo invite you back into the Corsair's soothing arms. Once you enter the interior of the Corsair, you are greeted by customizable, mood-setting ambient lighting. The available panoramic vista roof allows natural light inside the cabin, and when you sit down in the perfect position seats that feature 24-way adjustability with heated and cool functionality, give you a comfort and serene environment that disconnects you from a chaotic world. The design layout of the interior gives you open space with a center console that seemingly floats in the air and holds your drive selection, stereo, and climate controls. This allows for more open storage space in the center as well. There is a wireless charging pocket in the center console that allows you to safely store your phone away while in motion. The second row features sliding and recline functionality to make sure your passengers in the back seat are just as comfortable as you are up front. And for those times when you need room for cargo, the rear seats will power fold down with the push of a button, and the hands-free liftgate will automatically open with just a swipe of your foot under the bumper. The Corsair is powered by a Sprightly 2.0-liter Ecoboost engine producing a smooth accelerating 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, standard on both trims. On the Reserve, you can option a 2.3-liter for an increased output of 295 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and both engines are mated to an 8-speed transmission that shifts effortlessly, all while saving you miles per gallon. You can outfit the 2.0-liter with front or all-wheel drive, and the 2.3-liter comes standard with all-wheel drive. To get even more out of your drive, the Corsair features selectable drive modes to handle different on-road conditions. Normal, Excite, Conserve, and slippery/deep conditions are selectable via a knob in the center console. The adaptive suspension uses a suite of sensors that constantly monitor the Corsair's suspension motion, body movement, steering, and braking. This data allows the Corsair to make adjustments in milliseconds to keep the vehicle smoothly on course. Through connectivity through the Lincoln Way app, you can set a remote start time, lock and unlock the vehicle, and view important fluid levels and maintenance schedules. When it's time to bring your Corsair in, you can take advantage of Lincoln's pickup and delivery service, where we gather your vehicle and leave you with a loaner while your Corsair is in for service. Luxury and technology go hand in hand in the automotive world. Lincoln is no exception, with innovative features like the phone as a key system. Through the Lincoln Way app, you can not only lock, unlock, and start your car from outside. Once inside, the phone connected through Bluetooth will start your Corsair and allow you to drive without the need for a fob. If your phone ever dies, a backup system allows you to enter a PIN to unlock and start the vehicle. When it comes to safety, the Corsair cuts no corners. The Lincoln Copilot 360 suite of safety features comes standard and include blind spot detection with cross traffic alert, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a lane keeping system, rear view camera, and auto high beam headlamps. With Copilot 360 Plus, you also get Active Park Assist Plus that will park your Corsair for you, adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist that includes lane centering, evasive steering assist to provide support when avoiding potential collisions, reverse brake assist that will brake if a rear collision is imminent. An optional 360-degree camera can be outfitted to give you a bird's eye view of your environment, and the heads-up display allows you to keep your eyes on the road with pertinent information in your field of view. To keep you entertained and on the right path, the Sync 3 system allows you to stay connected with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. You can use the native navigation app with Sirius Traffic and Travel Link connectivity, or opt for Waze to set a path through your smartphone. Through AppLink, you can also utilize Amazon Alexa to connect your home and shopping while driving, and keep the whole family connected with the Lincoln Connect, an in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot that allows 10 devices to be connected up to 50 feet away from the vehicle. Or just sit back and appreciate the music with a 14-speaker, 12-channel amp, Quantum Logic surround sound listening experience through the Grille audio system. The Lincoln Corsair is a do-it-all luxury machine and a compact package. It is best experienced in person to enjoy the refinement and craftsmanship that goes into producing a Lincoln luxury SUV. There's no better place to start than Richmond Lincoln, where we are driven by you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Lincoln content.